This is Dr. Aria reporting for duty. What are you going to do first, Dr. Aria?
Okay. Is it good?
It's not good.
It's not good?
Uh-oh.
My ambulance is changing.
Daddy got a boo-boo on his face, and when Aria heard about it, she insisted on getting her doctor bag to make Daddy feel better. You gonna fix Daddy's boo-boo?
My temperature.
That's your blood pressure.
My blood pressure.
Yep, make sure it's okay.
Good? Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My blood pressure. Mommy, stop.
So much stuff. What do you have to do next?
Open.
You have to take Daddy's temperature?
Yeah, take the temperature.
Is it good? Am I okay?
Let's check your teeth.
Check your teeth.
E. Is it good?
Let's take your medicine.
Band-Aid. Oh, that makes it all better.
It is your face.
Thank you.
That was so sweet. She kissed his boo-boo.
Thank you, Dr. Aria.
No,
You're
Did
the
you
best.
say no problem?
She sure did.
turn the TV off.
Sounds good.
Turn the TV off.
Thanks for being a great doctor.
I turned the TV off.
You turned the TV on. On.
No.
That's okay. She did a good deed. How do you feel? Do you feel
Great.
like new?
$1,000,000.
Is the boo-boo on your face all better?
Yep.